Wolfpack Season 1, Episode 1. This is an excellent werewolf TV series. It's not made for children due to the death scenes and blood. So you got 4 main characters, Harlan, Luna, Blake, and Everett. And so I'm going to give you the origin of their story on the first episode. So Blake and Everett are high school students, and they're going to be caught in a fire on the highway. And they're going to get off the bus with some other students. People are going to start dying, but somehow during the fog and the fire, they're going to get bit by a werewolf. And they're going to get some powers, strength, muscles, speed, and also healing factor. But you also got the other two, which are Harlan and Luna. They were born as a werewolf. So I can't wait to figure out who was the one who set the fire. Also, who's the main werewolf who bit Everett and Blake. So this is a good TV series, great acting. They put some money into it, well produced. So I highly recommend it.
Alright, I'll see you guys next video, and thanks for watching.